In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A57 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First, open Settings and scroll to click on General Management. Now tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings and then choose Predictive Text. Click on the switcher next to your language to activate it. And when it's on, you will see even more text correction options to manage. When you're done with all of those, scroll a tiny bit, click on more typing options and manage all of them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!